increase in revenue without corresponding linear increase in growth, which means there is a multiplier effect here. What that is can differ from business to business, can differ from geography to geography, differ from industry to industry. Fundamentally, the concept of scale is it is non-linear. There has to be one single leader, undisputed. That means there has to be no doubt in anybody's mind कि इस company का CEO कौन है. And I'm using the word CEO very, very deliberately. It's not a business owner, it's not a founder, it's not an entrepreneur. To grow a business, you need to have the CEO mindset. Growth cannot happen with the Malik doing everything or with the family doing everything. Growth needs functions. The organization has to be divided into functions. It needs people, it needs capable people who have some experience of running and managing those functions. And it needs those people to have clear deliverables and KRAs and KPIs. If you have one store today and if you want 10 tomorrow, you'll have to figure out a process of inventory management. You cannot grow unless you have a system-driven approach. There has to be a method to the madness. And that method can be unique to your organization. You can create it. हर काम करने का आपकी संस्था में एक तरीका होना चाहिए. वो तरीका डॉक्यूमेंटेड होना चाहिए और वो तरीका आपके हर आदमी को पता होना चाहिए. सबसे पहले तो आप स्केल के बारे में कब सोचना शुरू करेंगे? मेरे हिसाब से वी शुड स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट ऑप्शंस, चॉइसेस, पॉसिबिलिटीज ऑफ स्केल जब हम 50-60 करोड़ के टर्नओवर पे कंट्रोल के साथ पहुंचे. आप कस्टमर की क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? अंडरस्टैंड द वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन यू ब्रिंग टू द कस्टमर एंड हाउ कैन यू चेंज द गेम फॉर द कस्टमर. एंड दैट इज वेयर द क्वेश्चन ऑफ स्केल विल कम इन. How can you bring more value to the customer by lesser resource? आप सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं. That's point number one. Second, हर कोई हर कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. So that's another thing that we see in the small and micro industry. हर कोई सब कुछ कर रहा है क्योंकि रोल क्लैरिटी नहीं है, संस्था का स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है. Therefore, create an organization structure. You need a संस्था का ढांचा. संस्था में कुछ functions आपको चाहिए, कुछ functions basic हैं. I don't think scale can happen without appropriate use and aggressive use of technology. Reduce the wait for your customer, up the quality, and reduce your inefficiencies in the system. You need technology for that. You need to believe that things can happen differently. If you think what got you here is the only way to go elsewhere, it's never going to work. And I think that's sometimes the biggest obstacle. हमारे रास्ते में हम ही खड़े होते हैं.